is Diasuri. I am skilled in hospital administration. I am performing this video to avail World Skill Council Career Development Certificate. Today I want to talk to you about the future role of hospital administration in delivering quality healthcare services. As future hospital administration, it's essential that we understand the intricacies of managing a healthcare organization. As future hospital administration, we must balance clinical, operational, and financial responsibilities. Our studies have equipped us with the knowledge and skills to excel in this challenging field. Hospital administration is the backbone of any healthcare organization. It involves planning, organization, staffing, directing, and control the various activities that take place within a hospital. Effective hospital administration ensures that patients receive quality care, that staff are motivated and productive, and that the organization remains financially sustainable. One of the critical aspects of hospital administration is managing clinical and supportive services. This includes emergency, surgical, medical, and diagnostic services, as well as laboratory, radiology, pharmacy, and dietary services. Hospital administrators must ensure that these services are delivered effectively while maintaining the highest standard of quality and patient safety. Another crucial aspect of hospital administration is financial management. This includes budgeting, accounting, and financial reporting. Hospital administration must ensure that the organization remains financially sustainable. While complying with regularly requirements, they must also manage hospital accounts, including patient accounts, general ledger accounts, and payroll accounts, in addition to clinical and financial management. Hospital administrations are also responsible for human resource management and housekeeping. This includes recruiting, selection, training, and developing staff, as well as maintaining a clean and safe hospital environment. Effective human resource management and housekeeping are critical to ensure patient satisfaction and quality care. Financial hospital administrators must also manage public relations and maintain a positive hospital image. This includes communication, marketing, and community outreach by building strong relationships with patients, staff, and the wider community. Hospital administration can promote the hospital's brand and values. As future hospital administration, we have learned the importance of incredible quality and care and operational excellence. Today, I will highlight key takeaways from our studies in hospital administration, clinical and supportive services, hospital housekeeping, human resource management, and hospital accounts. Hospital administration. Effective hospital administration involves strategic planning and policy making, organization structure and governance, quality assurance and accreditation, patient satisfaction, compliance with laws and regulations, clinical supportive services. Clinical and supportive services are crucial for patient care. Outpatient and inpatient services, emergency department management, diagnostic and therapeutic services, pharmacy and laboratory services, interdisciplinary teamwork and communication, hospital housekeeping ensure a safe and clean environment, infection control and prevention, waste management and disposal, non-related services, pest control and maintenance, patient satisfaction and comfort, human resource management. Human resource management is vital of hospital success. Recruitment, selection and training, staff development and retention. Performance management and evaluation, employee relation and conflict resolution, diversity, equity and inclusion. Hospital accounts. Hospital accounts require effective financial management, budgeting and financial planning, accounting and financial reporting, cost control and revenue cycle management, insurance and financial analysis and decision making, Integratable these components ensure as well as well-run hospital, quality patient care, operational efficiency, financial sustainability, compliance with the regulations, continuous improvement. Here are current healthcare trends and challenges. Healthcare trends: personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to individual genetic profiles, digital health, telemedicine, AI-powered diagnostic and mobile health apps, value-based care, focusing on patient outcomes and cost effectiveness, population health management, analyze data to improve community health, healthcare consumerism, patient taking charge of their care, artificial intelligence, AI and machine learns, enhancing the